So to wash down all these dishes, these wonderful recipes that we're taking to the boat, I thought we could make a little punch, Michael. Raspberry ginger ale punch. We're gonna use a 2-liter bottle of raspberry ginger ale.
Okay.
And I'm just gonna pour that, or you can help me pour it into the punch bowl. And I've got some canned pineapple juice. I'm gonna add 2 cups of that. And in front of you, Michael, you have a can of frozen limeade. If you would measure out 1 cup.
And it's been thawed out.
Yes, if you'd measure out 1 cup of that. And then I'm gonna slice some lime up, and we're just gonna drop that down into our punch bowl. Let those float around in there. And that looks pretty good, doesn't it?
The guys are gonna love this.
You think? You're being smart mouth. All right, you wanna ladle us up a little sample? If you would just kind of stir all those ingredients together. There you go.
Oh,
that's
perfect.
Pretty, isn't it?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. These guys are gonna love this.
Those big, rough, tough guys.
Yeah. They're gonna say, how pretty. That is good.
It is good. I love the pineapple juice.
And pretty.
And pretty.